Welcome to Jugrali Insights, where we turn complex ideas into a clear, simple understanding. No noise, just knowledge that matters. Today we're talking about intermittent fasting, not as a trend, but as a powerful biological process that affects your energy, hormones, and long-term health. Understanding it can change how your body works every single day. Stay with us, share this with someone who needs it, and let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments. Your input helps shape what we explore next. Intermittent fasting is not starvation, and if you think it is, you've been taught wrong. In the next 5 minutes, you'll understand what intermittent fasting really is, why it works, and why humans have done it naturally for thousands of years. No hype, just biology. Intermittent fasting is not about what you eat, it's about when you eat. You alternate between two states, eating and not eating. For most of human history, food wasn't always available. We ate, then stopped, then ate again. Today we snack constantly. Every time you eat, your blood sugar rises. Your body releases insulin, a hormone that facilitates the movement of sugar into your cells. But insulin has another job. It blocks fat burning. When you stop eating for several hours, your insulin levels drop. Now your body switches modes, from storing energy to burning stored fat. Starvation is an uncontrolled lack of food. Intermittent fasting is controlled timing. Your body still gets nutrients. It just gets time to reset. So intermittent fasting isn't starvation. It's simply giving your body enough time to switch from storing energy to using it. But how much time does that actually take? What really happens inside your body after 12 hours? Why does 16 hours feel so different? And what changes after 24 hours? To understand fasting, we need to follow the timeline. Intermittent fasting is not one single method. It's a range of time-based eating patterns. Each type creates a different biological response in the body. To understand what fasting does, we first need to understand how long the body can go without food. The most common forms of intermittent fasting are 12-hour fasting, 16-hour fasting, and 24-hour fasting. Each one serves a different purpose, and each one activates different systems inside your body. A 12-hour fast is the most gentle form of intermittent fasting. This is where the body finishes digesting the last meal. Blood sugar begins to normalize. Insulin levels slowly fall. At this stage, your body is still running on stored sugar, mainly glycogen from the liver. Fat burning has not fully started yet, but metabolic stress is reduced. Benefits to the body: blood sugar stabilization, reduced insulin exposure, digestive system rest, easier sleep and circadian rhythm support. Around 16 hours, the body reaches a turning point. Stored sugar becomes depleted. Insulin drops low enough to unlock fat stores. This is when the body shifts from sugar burning to fat burning. Fat cells release fatty acids. The liver converts some of that fat into ketones. The brain begins using a cleaner, more stable fuel. Benefits to the body: increased fat burning, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced hunger over time, improved mental clarity and focus. After 24 hours, fasting enters a deeper biological phase. The body increases autophagy, a process where damaged or dysfunctional cells are broken down and recycled. Inflammation markers tend to decrease. Immune cells begin renewing. This is not about daily fat loss. It's about cellular health. Benefits to the body: cellular cleanup and repair, reduced inflammation, improved metabolic flexibility, support for long-term health. You do not need to fast for 24 hours to be healthy. Most metabolic benefits begin earlier. Longer fasts are tools, not requirements. The goal is not deprivation. The goal is to allow the body time to switch states. Intermittent fasting works because it restores balance. It lowers insulin. It improves fuel switching, and it gives your cells time to repair. This is not a trend. It's how the human body was designed to function. But what happens when insulin stays high for years? Why do some cells stop responding altogether? In the next section, we'll explain insulin resistance and why it blocks fat loss and healing.
This is Jugrali Insights. Stay curious, stay informed. See you in the next one.